Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. I hope everyone is doing well. I can't believe we are already in December. Like, holy cannoli, this year has flown by so quick. It feels like just yesterday that me and Ryan got married, I went on my honeymoon, and now here we are, basically the last month of the year. I honestly can't believe that 2024 is almost here. Well, first go Christmas first and then 2024, but basically the year's practically over. So I hope everyone had a great 2023 and hopefully 2024 is a lot better. So in today's video, I wanted to do a get ready with me. I am going to my best friend's wedding party dinner just to like celebrate their engagement. Also to put the face to the name with the guys and the girls as well, because I don't know the groomsmen, I don't know any of the bridesmaids, so it's good to kind of have us all meet so we again could kind of put the face to name, kind of see one another, catch each other's vibes and so forth, because we're not all in the same city. We're from Toronto and Ottawa, so there's not really like a good time for really us to kind of meet, be like, hey, are you free tomorrow? So in today's video, I am going to be doing a get ready with me. You guys will see later on, you know, the products I use, my hair and so forth. But before we get started with that, of course, I do have to say that this video is sponsored. Yes, we do have a sponsor for today's video. I gotta keep the lights on somehow, and it is sponsored by Dossier. So I have talked about Dossier in the past before, but if you guys don't know who they are a luxury perfume company that obviously create perfumes, but not only that, colognes, candles, and diffusers now. That's new, by the way. And their perfumes are high quality. Again, they're luxurious, and their scents take inspiration from our designer favorites such as Tom Ford, Dior, Chanel, you name it. Their scents take inspiration from those scents. And what's great about Dossier is that their scents are a fraction of the cost than the designer perfumes. Because you know, design perfumes can range from like 150, 200, 3, maybe even higher up there depending on the perfume. Such as the Baccarat one, that is a pretty penny for a small bottle of perfume right there, but is a very, very popular one. So they do have a scent that is inspired by that, and you can get that from a fraction of the cost. So you don't need to spend $300+ just for a small bottle of perfume. Their scents are extremely affordable. So if you want to smell just like your favorites, but also want to save your money, especially now for Christmas, because for gift giving or maybe something for yourself, you can save all of that coin and just spend a fraction of that. We love the designer perfumes, but not much of the designer price tag. So I did get sent a couple. First one is this Floral Jasmine. Now this is inspired by Tom Ford's Jasmine Rouge. I had this perfume before, not the Dossier one. I had the Tom Ford one, and let me tell you, that cost a pretty penny. And I wanted to repurchase that, but again, costed a pretty penny. However, from Dossier, this is again a fraction of the price. And let me tell you, this smells exactly just like the Tom Ford. Like, I love that scent so much, but again, I did not want to pay the designer price tag. But the fact that this is a fraction of the cost of that, I for sure would be repurchasing. Another great thing what I love about their perfume bottles is that the lid is magnetic. So it's the little things that we absolutely love. And again, this is what the bottle looks like right here. We love it. We absolutely love it. Also, when you do order from them, you do get a card as well telling you what the notes are, the inspiration, and anything else that you would like to know about the scent. And the other one I have is a diffuser. So this is also by one of my favorites. I actually have the perfume bottle of this as well, and it is the Floral Marshmellow. This is inspired by Kilian's Love Don't Be Shy. And if you guys know about Kilian, that is a very, very luxurious price tag that it has. But I'm not willing to spend that much money. So the fact that this smells exactly just that, and I can have my room smelling this good, you bet I'm gonna get it. I'm not quite too sure if Kilian has a diffuser in that scent, but if they did, it's probably again a pretty price tag as well. So again, this is a fraction of the cost, and the fact that my room's gonna smell this good by the time I come home, oh, love it even more. So if you order the diffuser, you will still get this information card, the notes, inspiration, concentration, and what else information you need to know. It will have a little bit more information of how it works because it is a diffuser and not a perfume. So if you guys are interested in dossier, I will leave a link to their website down in the description box below, along with the scents in today's video. So like I said, I will leave all the information down in the description box below, but definitely do go check them out if you want to save some coin and still smell luxurious at the same time. Alright, so enough of me rambling on. We're gonna get into the video, but before we get started with that, be sure you are subscribed to my channel. Ring the bell so you're notified when I do upload a new video, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle right here. And let's finally get started with the video. Hello guys, I've done my eyebrows, and again, I look like that Kung Fu Hustle landlord lady with the rolls going on. So anyways, it's time to prep the eyes. I'm using the Haus Labs concealer. This is a all-time favorite. If you haven't tried this out yet, where have you been? And of course, I need to set this, so I'm setting it with the Kilian translucent powder, and I'm going to be using the Natasha Denona I Need a Nude palette. Gorgeous. Look at this color story right here. So I'm going to go in with the color Wit with a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to apply this all over the lid just to give this a nice wash of color. And of course, I am going to do this to the other eye as well. And let me tell you that these eyeshadows are beautiful. They blend really, really well. So now I'm going to deepen up the crease, and I'm going in with the color Vague. And again, I'm just going to deepen that up a little bit, give it some dimension. And I went in with a different fluffy brush this time. So I want to give this a nice dimension, colors that are very similar to one another. And as you can see, it definitely darkened up the crease very, very nicely. So right now I want to deepen up my lash line a little bit. I didn't show you what shade I use. I don't know why. But I actually went in with the shade Tender, and I used a denser brush and applied that along the lash line just to deepen up the waterline a little bit. Time for my favorite part, and it is glitter and shimmer. So I used a flat shader brush, and I went in with the shade Travertine, and I then went in to use the shade Whisper just to give it a extra pop. And I went a step further and used my finger and went into Muse again just to give it that extra pop and glitter. Oh, that looks so amazing. It definitely helped tie everything together. So now time to do the face. I'm using two primers. I'm using the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Primer for all over the face, and the Danessa Myrix for my T-zone. Now you don't have to use two different primers. I personally choose to so I can target the different concerns on my face. So now it's time for me to color correct. It's usually underneath my eyes and the sides of my mouth, and I'm going in with my favorite Giorgio Armani Power Fabric Plus. This is a new one, and I'm in the shade 6 because I did get tan during my honeymoon. So I applied the foundation first using a foundation brush, and I blended it all out using the Anissa Beauty foundation brush. This is a dream to blend with. Look at the results. Flawless application. So of course it's now time to contour, and I'm using the Patrick Ta contour. And of course I gotta contour my nose, and I went in with another Anissa Beauty brush to help contour my cheekbones a little bit that got lost in the foundation. So of course it's time to blend everything out. It's now time to highlight, and I'm using that same Lady Gaga concealer I used for my eyes to highlight my forehead and my nose and the rest of my face. So first I applied the concealer, and I'm using a concealer brush to spread out the product, and then I went in with a different brush to help blend everything out. And I did the same thing underneath the eyes. So I kind of forgot that I should have bronzed up my face first, so I went in with the Chanel bronzer, and again using a Anissa Beauty brush in the C contour brush this time. So then I finally went in and did the rest of my under eyes. So I will finish the rest of that off camera, and you will see me in the next clip. And that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Again, I can't believe that it is December. The year is almost over. Oh, the time flies by so quick. So again, thank you to Dossier for sponsoring today's video. And also, if you guys are interested in any other fragrances, candles, diffusers, do check the website down in the description box below. Definitely go check them out. They have a range from men's, women's, again, the candles and the diffusers. You guys will not be disappointed. So I'm gonna sign off right now. I'm gonna take off my makeup and have a nice, good sleep. Because right now, it is 11:15 and I have to wake up early to go to a birthday lunch as well. It's a busy weekend. So anyways, you guys, again, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!